Caught him!
Welcome to Fish North Georgia's The Guide. Here's Dana Smith.
Hey, this is Dana Smith with Fish North Georgia's The Guide. For today's Lake Lanier fishing report, I got out in the middle of the day. It's a Friday. It's hot. It's humid. Fishing's tough. I have caught a couple of fish on a jig. Alright, that's a nice fish. On the old homemade jig. A pound and a halfer. And I've done pretty well fishing docks. I'm really not a dock fisherman. I don't really like to fish docks, but when it's sun is bright like it is and it's hot as it is, water temperature is 87.7 right now. That's hot on Lanier. I'm back in a creek on the north part of the lake just to try to beat the crowds. There's a lot of boats out today, but if you can find deeper docks, there's fish on them. It's especially if you have a little cover underneath the dock. Just pitching a worm, you can throw a jig. That's probably a 2.5 pounder right out from underneath this dock. It's not my favorite way to fish, but I'll do it when I have to. Beautiful, beautiful spotted bass. Beautiful. Again, it's not my favorite way to fish, but it is effective. There's fish on these docks. Oh, don't get me on the table. Another deep dock fish. That's a 1.5 pounds. Nice fish. Had me wrapped around the cable here, which makes it interesting, but nice fish. Thanks for tuning in to Fish North Georgia's The Guide. If you're going to come out during the middle of the day, fishing the docks is a good way to catch a few fish. Water temperature is really warm right now, so they're looking for shade, and there's a few fish, and as you can see from my film there's some good fish on those docks too. It's not my favorite way to fish, but you can pitch a jig in there, you can throw a finesse worm in there. Do me a favor and head over to FCP Fishing on YouTube. That's my channel. Check it out. I'm out here on Lanier several times a week all year long. I can help keep you up to date on what's happening out here on the lake, and I would appreciate everybody coming over and taking a look. Thanks for tuning in.
Thanks for watching The Guide here at Fish North Georgia. Our mission is to build a community of anglers to give you the best and latest information to make your day on the water more successful. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, click the bell so you'll be notified of any future content. Make sure you check us out at fishnorthgeorgia.com, where we carry a large variety of bait manufacturers from here in the North Georgia area. So we appreciate you being part of our community, and we'll see you soon.